Hi, my name's Christopher Grimnes. I'm with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today we're going to do a walkthrough tour of this 2019 Rio 56. Let's have a look. As you can see, there's plenty of space on this huge swim platform. There's tracks here for the tender that lives in this garage. Plenty of room for the tender. There's a 6-horse outboard. Plenty of room for hoses, dock lines, fenders, etc. Moving forward, we have this nice size aft deck lounge. Ample seating for a dozen people for dining, lounging. There's a retractable sunshade, and then a hatch here for access to the engine compartment. Okay, now as we enter the main salon, you can see plenty of natural light, lots of comfortable seating, retractable sunroof, huge single glass windshield, great visibility, and easy access to the helm station. Of course, we have joystick piloting, Garmin electronics, thrusters, easy operation with great visibility. Aft window opens up, letting more natural light and airflow. Here we have ample storage, a TV that stows below the counter. And stepping down into the galley, this wonderful space down here, nice sized galley, induction cooktop, dishwasher, full-size stainless steel sink, plenty of storage space. Here's the dishwasher, ample storage. Stepping over this way, we have a nice dining area, comfortable seating, flat screen TV, good lighting. Behind me here, we have a wine fridge. Behind the door is an oven, refrigerator, freezer. I love this VIP suite. Nice seating area, comfortable island queen. Nice storage, bedside tables, plenty of headroom down here, plenty of light, port lights, these beefy stainless steel port lights, plenty of electrical outlets, controls for your Fusion audio, bedside, the VIP head with its independent shower, nice size. Here we enter into the forward cabin. Nice size island queen. Nice natural light. Plenty of headroom. Again, ample storage. Easy access, step up into the berth. There's electrical outlets, Fusion audio, night lights, shades for the windows. Forward head can be accessed either from the salon or from the forward stateroom. There's an independent shower and natural light. Oh, welcome to the engine room. Good size space, plenty of headroom, 715 horsepower Cummins diesels, less than 200 hours on the engines. Cummins Onan generator, could access all the fuel filters, wiring. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video of this 56 Rio. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out using my contact info below this video.